Okay, in this final piece, I have gone in and I have made some adjustments to the individual targets for a team, for my sales team. I have gotten the number to where I want it to be in my bottom up. And right now, I need to summarize and roll these back up so they reflect in the adjusted um, number. So in this, at this point, I'm going to go ahead and up at the top of the screen in the target detail, I'm going to click the three-dot actions menu. I'm going to select roll up, which you'll remember we selected in part one when we were setting a default. However, this time when I select roll up, I'm going to leave this unchecked because the roll up is also how we sum things at the end. So I'm not applying a default to the whole team. I've already made my individual adjustments. I'm going to leave that blank, click next, apply my changes where I want. If I'm overwriting any previous months, if I'm not overwriting again, I don't need to select that. So if I'm in planning, if we're doing this as part of a planning exercise for our next fiscal year, I do not need to select this. So overwrite, confirm. And now once that is run, you can see that it summarized all the changes that I made up to that adjusted number. And that adjusted number is green and it's reflecting that 80,000 surplus that I now have between that and the top down.